Welcome to Opalescence. Opalescence PF is a customized take-home teeth whitening treatment. Your dental office will create custom-made whitening trays for you by first making an impression of your teeth. Once the trays have been fabricated, you can begin treatment. To load whitening gel in your custom tray, begin by expressing one continuous bead of gel approximately halfway up from the chewing surface on the front side of the tray from molar to molar. This should use about 1/2 to 1/3 of a syringe in each tray. Place the tray over the teeth and carefully press the tray into place. Gently wipe off any excess gel with a soft toothbrush. Leave the tray in for the period of time recommended by your dentist. After the recommended time is over, remove the tray from your mouth and brush your teeth to remove all the gel from your teeth. Clean the tray with a soft toothbrush and water. Store trays in the case provided by your dental office. If you have any questions regarding the appropriate use of the whitening product, including how long it will take to whiten your teeth, please consult your dentist.